Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today this video show you how to install Windows 11 Professional on any unsupported PC. To install Windows 11 Professional on an unsupported PC, you need to download the ISO file for Windows 11 Professional. I have already downloaded it from Microsoft. To create a bootable USB drive for unsupported PC, we will download a third-party tool called Rufus. Open internet browser and go to Rufus website. Enter the download section. Click the latest stable release of Rufus to download the executable file. Open the download folder. And run the downloaded file. In the Rufus window, under the device drop down, select your USB. Select your USB drive. Click on the select button next to the boot selection. And choose the Windows 11 Professional file you downloaded. Under the image option, ensure it is standard Windows installation. And click on start. Check the box next to remove requirement for 4 GB RAM, secure boot and TPM. You can also disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. Click OK. You may see a warning about data loss. Click OK to proceed. Wait for Rufus to finish creating the bootable USB drive. Once Rufus is done, restart the computer where you want to install Windows 11 and boot from the USB drive. If you want to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11, just open the USB drive and run the setup file. Open this PC and then open the USB drive. Run the setup file. Click yes. Here you can choose download updates, drivers and optional features. This is recommended. Click next. Accept the license. Windows 11 is ready to install. You will not be able to use your PC during installation. Save and close your file before you begin. Install Windows 11 into keep personal files and apps. You can change this option here. Keep personal files only or nothing. Nothing mean erase everything. So keep personal files and apps. Click next. Windows 11 is ready to install. Click on install. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. The Windows 10 operating system has been upgraded to Windows 11 and is ready to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.